One thing I want to let you understand. May I play this audio first for now. Osayede threatened this woman. Want to listen? I'll play her.
Hey, you go your account. You won't sir. Who I won't son where they may we have money. But I don't know why you go your account with why jammy. Money day. Oh, Catamara was sunny, he can't set me, idiot. Idiot, no. Master, money cannot buy love. Money cannot buy feelings. So you cannot give me money. I want to make 10 million in me. I don't need it. In Winania. Heading the what me and what is I know money cannot buy love, money cannot buy feelings. I'm not giving you because you have feelings. I'm not giving you because it's not me. For me, I don't bribe love. I don't bribe for feelings. I know they use money to buy love, I know they use money to buy feelings. I believe on God's ears. God will work towards it. And then there's certain people who those who help themselves. You know. Even if you want to have the feeling, it's worth it. The William will pay. Everything you win understand? That is it. Remember, okay, when I feel we won't work in maybe can't do your way.
No.
So why are you giving me money when I didn't ask for it? I didn't ask you for money. Why do you want to give me 2 million? For what? I don't need it. I don't need it. It's too much. If you think it's too much, I will do it. I don't need it. Even though you say you want to give me 50,000 naira, I don't need it. I don't need any money from you. Jamais money day. No way me where do you mean me money day. Marasa. Okbeanu my we not taking our own. Oh my good doing na okay. That's not what that for me I know. But we hear me. So why would I be collecting money from you? Even more, I do a man give me more. I have children.
I just want to play this audio.
How will I feel as a mother? So I better don't do it to other people's children. My brother, money there. No women may with me. Because only me with me, I'm away, on none, or with that won't borrow away, or may no. But I will me, my borrow away, what you will me, or 2 million me. Oh, my brother, money there. I'm sorry.
They decide bet. Handed the rap the woman.
Yeah. Anyway, with that one. I'm going to do it. Why would you, woman? Why would you 1.5? What would you have? It's for you. Then I bought one now in the social media. No. But when you give me here, I'm mad away. Yeah. So why would you, woman? But we are in a relationship. No, the relationship was not the 1.5. When you drove this summer. Oh, it is something not tell us to what has to go about with your maybe 1.5 in the year, double pop over. You make me flashback the voice note what you said for me. When we gave a relation. Obviously, working exactly what I'm you more relation number, I make this. You understand me? So, I don't know if you just or do we check it. I don't know. I don't know. Tell you, the village by about the pool. And then me, I look, but when I boy, are you going to hear me? In a week,
They
were I got a be about it, maybe probably without what to check. Is it a button? I don't know, my brother. You think
now see this life. Now see this life. If not be this audio now, nobody will believe say this will not get share for this money. Even with this audio, Ajebos and a co-host see they accuse this woman. Still believe. See this woman still get hand for inside. They still believe, they still get that belief. With this audio, Adam, yo.
When I tell you, what on ever, no so go. But when you make your marrow, yeah, when you can marry, between God and heaven with Bakutana, when many you have you can marry, you marry, so what relationship? You answer that one. Man. When we back come out, you talk. He marry well. I know, but yes, you want to the way. They're in a relationship. That's why we come back with you go along. I will pay you up by because what you not promise you a marriage. Even time when you marry well. Or say what can we tell so what we can but when we go along. So we could think twice. Okay, I went into the time away with he marry well. The thing I hear with the bunny me when like that I want to marry, I'll marry him. I'll settle down with you. But we marry well. So about the time away. Let me see your face. The first thing I want to forget that thing.
Now they hear that.
Yes, but when it comes to marriage, it reminds me of strong my brother. I hear about marriage, but we hear about trust.
Now they hear that.
Yeah, I know. But I'm not talking about marriage. Amen, Tana. I saw my way out one. Today is 8th of March 2022.
Yes. Now, please, and people are close to my better style. You understand? Me, I believe in action. Say actions speak louder than voice. You understand? Please, I want beg now. Now, see all this I present that way with the talk. When you date man, you understand? The man the say he want marry you. Because according to his Osayede, now marry this woman. You understand? He even they call it the woman family, they call it sisters, you know, try to talk to his sisters, me they help and talk to the woman. And the famous people don't understand this issue now. I want to clarify something very clear for this matter. You understand? Sure. Then Osayede you have a good relationship with the sister, but based on you they date their other sisters in Europe. So along the line, it's okay. They call the sister, okay, I bet if you help me buy land. You understand? Based on you know scammer, you know better borrow scammer, obviously me bring this very smart. As a main again so you understand as a slay like bunga fish. Now so in breed they very very smart guy. He called the woman that one for Nigeria so they read that one. So that must be that one help on. Then one help on buy house, buy land, go help on buy motor, you know buy motor for your father, blah blah blah. Now the transaction go on. That one, you get that one account, that one Nigeria account. You put money for on bar. You understand? And you will transfer the money come out. Fine. It doesn't mean say that one for Nigeria and still the same scam with them. Now where people they get on wrong this one clear. It don't mean say because you carry your for example, the date one woman now, then his sister. I can say as I did, I don't get Nigeria accounts. You understand? For example, I not get Nigeria account. I'm not get account for Nigeria. I say, babe, your sister fee help me open account, or your sister fee help me. I feel they put money for your sister account. I feel they save money for your sister account. I can say, okay, I mean, I save money for your account. You understand? I don't want my family to know. It's normal. You feel me? So you go to save money for your account. Then you get into, if that's how you trust you deal with the sister. You deal with the sister for a year. If you save money for your in-law account, your in-law to be, for example, for that one will help you to do things for house. A lot of them are doing. It's normal. But this aspect of Osayede and scam now cause this problem. If Osayede are really person will say not the scam, they work, they get money, save money for that woman, and that woman go to help her to do things for house. Problem not go come. Now when Osayede what they call the scam, when they use that woman account, my debt if can implicate that woman. And you feel me so? So he does not warrant us. That's why if you're a presenter, if you investigate issue like this, we concern money, especially concern cyber scammer. So all these social media scammer, live video people, if they do all these things, so you should be very, very careful so that we're not going to use our brokers. People problem for that people sit down, they are always supposed to even help us for investigation in the times of when they need. Because if not be this favor, Osayede for deny this in total name for social media. Nobody, even all this way crack, I'm not believe what this woman say. They even get to do Osayede. Person like me, when Osayede can't report this thing to me, either that same evening of it or the same evening of it, I came out and I did a video. I talk about a video where we say, look, you do. Before person call it, person you're going to do 28,000 euro. You not going to ask the person where for see the money. You understand? Now someone they use brain for them to remove allegation for head. Not knowing say that really genuine. So Osayede. Now, when they talk, when not going to talk of the fake alert who Osayede they send. I caught it they send the fake alert. Who they send the fake alert with Deutschland IBAN? They give this woman. All those transfer successful. Who Osayede they send? Go they give all this over. I just send the money. Transfer successful. How country they do? When I don't ask on yourself that question, where for they get all those code, which happy they use. Now, I want to talk this matter. I see where the problem one lie. Where me I don't go take. Where me I don't go take from them. Say congratulations to who? To Rita. Rita, what is Rita do? Okay, Rita do marriage. No. Because they see there. This is a normal party they do. That one on one side. Congratulations. Now, Osayede, we all not forgot they get it wrong. If to say this, what's the plan? This favor, don't bring out this audio. Come out now. Make we hear. See how this thing take play. Up till now, Osayede was they deny, say, he not get anything to do with all these women. Then only 250 euro. Now they send for him. Whereas Osayede really know, say, he do things with these women. And the same one now, Jebo come sit down. They call Osayede for back. Come they question her. That you question her finish. He can't tell you, say, this one involved, this one involved, this one involved. My guy, all those not fake lie. Those not fake scam. I want to work on this way. You not go work as I say that here. As I said there, you not go work. Now those women, now I'm not gonna get sense pass. Yes, I need to call on our phone, tell them I say una not get sense. Now live video they talk and so me they know say una not get sense. I want talking for live video, and if I talking for live video finish, I they go end my video. When I'm not coming for phone because why and why? Una carry breast put for chest. It's common sense in all day. Una feel say Ajebo go fit join una draw that money from Osayede. Osayede get sense pass Ajebo. Osayede go put Ajebo for back take thief. The thief where Ajebo know now help me carry something go as I go gbab some. As far as internet is concerned, Osayede go put Ajebo for back. Take rob. Because Ajebo not too wise. Now women body for the guests. Now women body have to chop single mother have to collect widow money, widow. Now that one just body after. Single mother money, even no give, even no give. Oh, my sweet mommy, oh, ambassador even now those one they both know. Now what he learn be that one. Osayede is too intelligent for you people to think, say, all these Kobe men, all these pure water men, go fit draw now money from one hand. I don't tell now. So I talking for back. That's why they talking for live video now. You understand? If you now follow Osayede with this kind of manyama talk, Osayede go to turn all of them around. Go to use now play. Unless now follow and legally. And the only way now go fit collect now money for Osayede hand. And at the only thing where the only help where I go fit now rent that give una today. If you not like, una follow up. If you not like, una they follow at the body months. Now there they go now they go use now play. The matter go say da. One error I no go see. One error una no go see. Last now, what you call the play now? Una way they find una way money loss. They don't really talk now. Say now I even get share for inside. They don't really interrogate now for live video now. See how you take get share for inside. Now not see the kind of stupidity. People will be say bring matter come and say we they look for money. Now they know how they accuse now for live video. You not shock. You not shock. You not shock now. People will bring matter come give you now. No, because I can't join the. We don't even call the thief for back. After I call the thief for back, finish not plan with her. Cause okay, now let you want to feel record this matter. Now let me want to feel record this matter. No, that person not record. Oh. After you don't talk to Osayede, finish your back. I just boy is a criminal. We be saying no. Ojibaki. 3K is still the ground we never pay. You don't go discuss Osayede for back. When Osayede don't go talk, don't go plan, finish for back. Then you can't call all those men, can't conference, they join the call. Can't talk, say, no, let you want to feel record this thing. Because they say, Osayede say, you collect 1.6, Osayede say, you collect 5K, and you collect the lion's share. From the upset, who get lion's share and who get the big side, which was 5,000 euro, 5 million, now get lion's share, he say, now sexy mama, now get lion's share. But during the conversation for live video of Ajebora, we now find out that the person will get the lion's share now become a favor again. Ooh. And they always tell me one thing: you can control truth forever. You can never control lie forever. The live video where you do just now is full of lies. The record where you play. Now, sexy mama get the lion's share. Now, on live screaming when Osayede talk, live person will get the live share now be Favour. Who they lie for this? We not just know say because of the voice record with Favour play come out and it gets Osayede angry. Osayede is trying to drag in Favour into the mess, into the immense we don't do for social media. The same Osayede talk say, make the woman go police station, make go donation. You not register the business. You not this one. You know this one. You know say Osayede yourself. I tell you, see, you're saying you're physically too smart. You're not too smart. You yourself just need to, you put yourself more into this problem. You call here, you call my platform here. Can't say you don't take money. You can't shout for me. Can't really insult me. And you know so you be criminal. You know how I calm down. I get people like you. I don't say handle people like you where thief na the shot pass. Thief na the go quote law pass. You understand? I tell you, we're joking. You're a bloody criminal. And that's why your parents go suffer put. I tell you. I go use you show examples. I ended talk about life, so I go use you show example for this matter. Not be the one with them and your body follow you do so. You just say me go carry phone, I go call your mind mad. To go call bloody criminal like you for phone. No. Now there Ajebode implicate itself with even the more for even calling you. Because Gomaji is school man. After I live video begin on the presenter. Era many musi, many musi, or many musi. That one way not the bleaching one with this. Oh, you know, a bleaching a coin yan of Bingo. I'm gonna be Hungo Benego, no go. Oh, you know, when I bomb, you know, the body near bomb is symmetry. I be Hungo, up your Hungo, up your phone in a bino, up your bleaching out bell, Gamba and Mamuel. Why am back Patakunua, Mata? If I now, how are you police station? I police station. So I dem you waffle. So I the omi waffle. Why want boom? So I the omi waffle where they were. Why want boom? A man did by Omar guy. Why is Zuo? One like live video. What do I for me? And people when I come, no, settle this matter. You want to settle matter. Matter what you want to settle. You set up a live video, go pay me that money come out. We talk of 17M here, the 16 million or whatever. How many million we talk about? Not be your platform, not be that live video go bring the money come out. Now the way you take stand and contribute, how you go fit to bring the money come out matter. Not be the one you want to for live video. How you want to bring that money come out, not be for live video. If you don't know, make I tell you now. For those of you now, today of you that will sit there for live video there. Arameya wefe. Ugo, a blessing. Blessing Oyeboga. Ago, no yes adaye. Ugo ya sadaye, ugo ya Richard no ya go adaye, no ya go. Una kamwa. O la ko ya ta to. Wa kan azu. Me wo gba azu. You understand me fit tangion at the left hand and knock to you to. They put time for that body woto. Not get time because they fit time or ko wa magun. Gumeka mo yan ba. What I believe you were to know a live video or what the Osayede, what don't pay you, what don't pay you because of one. What handle me, what handle you going over your feet. So I know I like it, but you go. You understand? When I believe you get you 100 years, who are fail. If you want to get this money, you have to take it legally. Legally, that's the only way to take this to get this money. Okay, where madam, Atimana Osayede he had to get he had to get the heart is made up. So I know when you're ready, for your parents to excel, or you can want it. You know, you can you saw it coise, or when you're that if you want it, right? You won't really with your you come out no do you go Latin. What do you know? What you supposed to do? No, why Yahweh? When I go, it would I wouldn't worry for this when I go. You supposed to go to EFCC. Let's contact the EFCC now. Why me one at it? You should go and money connection in Yagua. Or my go on my good them or my own day. My God will not give them. Or what live video? What talo? The money is in Nigeria. The only way to track that money, not even in Europe, is in Nigeria. You get a good lawyer, the lawyer will write a petition against Osayede and Co. Then fire the case to the EFCC. All the banks, all the transfer I make from banks to bank, they will trace that money and get everybody involved arrested. You must go to jail. EFCC will fresh out. Those are they do with my area. Ni akamu wena. Ekono ya mwira yuvu. Era ayan fresh Latin. Fresh Latin. Ekono you are you go to the mansion. You sell that mansion and bring out the money, and all will be seized with the EFCC. You understand me now? What are you going to disturb the peace of mind of people? What going on with Europe now? Not just school way. The way people are talking on live video anyway, nobody knowing the right thing to do. Simple issue, like a very simple minor case. Now are solved in a very peaceful manner. Why a noise? Why meeting? I go gather with her on live screen, discussing a normal cycle within some many days. I know when you live video now, you are sitting down to say yes, the father is being arrested, or the mother is arrested, or the house has been seized, the car has been seized by the EFCC. That should be what we are hearing. We need the action, not talking. Bloody civilian. I mean, the normal, they are just busy with and anyhow people, bed of the same federal flocks together, bunch of illiterates. Bunch of illiterate guys. Abroad, do me way. They say we can write essay, and not very good essay. Come on, good sentence without no mistake. We have full stop with it. What's that going? Now just to the top that do that I be a you over talking anyhow on live video. Because anyone come good brain. You think that's the only way that's how you're going to help this woman? Making this woman to be depressed on a daily basis. All the news is making this woman to be depressed on a daily basis. We all know the story. All this audio has been with me. Not just like women. Let's say woman, they talk, they think a calling me since then. So there could have been a problem now by now. No, why I break what she not come from Vito one call money for handle from Vito go just Osayede not come from Vito. Now who the John Osayede for love now? Who the John Osayede for una now? I ask now. Who the John Osayede for una broadcast now? Who the John Osayede? Now I turn the case now to the people who bring case come for now. Now they accuse the people who bring case come for now. Say they get hand for inside. They get lion share. You know imagine people who bring case come for now. Now they tell us they get lion share. Who do fake alert not get lion share? Who bring account not get lion share? Who bring the idea not get lion share? Now that short as I look today, I don't feel look at because I did paro. I just see you're not going where. What's the meaning for this all this talk? What about years? Come make a baby wala. What are you go where I saw about? What woman? You can't really go in. I'll see that. Oh, this young guy in this MC happiness. This is why I'm saying no way. What about what the name where? See the way it disgrace you. Because why and why? And it's true. Look at the young people in Nigeria. They're seeing people who are getting them why. They're seeing who are them why. You are really baby investors. Oh God, I'll do my dream. I just threw a bed. They don't want to saga. Egun yazi.